Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. Auguste Escoffier was that very famous French chef, beginning of the century. He died in 1935. But from the middle of the 19th century until almost the middle of the 20th century, he codified French cooking, made a great deal of what we call classic French cooking now. He did several recipes which I remember today, especially a couple from the Australian Soprano called Melba. He did the peach Melba, which is a poached peach with a raspberry sauce and whipped cream on top, and the toast Melba. Melba, like her toast, very, very thin. And he developed a way of doing it. With a thin slice of bread, like this one, I put it in the toaster, and I'll show you what he did with it when it comes out. Okay, that's about ready now. And as you can see, you have to do it right away when it's hot. You trim it, and I keep the trimming, of course. And you have the thin slice here. Now you spring your knife right in the middle of it. That's it. To do two toasts, extremely, extremely thin. This is what the real toast Melba was, and he served it this way. You can cut it in half again and serve it like that with butter and all that. And here is the real toast Melba. Happy cooking.